Hi friends, how are you doing? Today's video will guide you through on how to calculate standard deviation in Excel. To start, open up your Excel worksheet. Now, let's calculate the standard deviation for this colon D. You click on an empty cell under the colon. Then, you go to the Formulas tab, select More Functions and click on Statistical. Now you find and scroll through standard deviation, then you click on it, STDEV. It will open up this dialog box and automatically it has been fixed. But if you want to find for another row, just clear this up and you select the row you want to find the standard deviation for. Then you click OK. Now, the value for your standard deviation has been gotten. Another way to get or calculate standard deviation is to select an empty row in the column. Then you input the formula equal to STDEV for standard deviation. Then you open a bracket. You select the columns you want to get your standard deviation for. You close the bracket and you press the enter key. Now your answer has been gotten. This is the value for the standard deviation for hours. So that is the two ways you calculate standard deviation in Excel. Hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content. Bye guys, see you in the next video.